Hey, Darin Garman here, and we're going to talk about number 3. We're going to talk about the third reason, or the third point, why multifamily values are going to continue to go up. And it has to do with rate of return. Or I should say, it doesn't have to do with rate of return. This is even bigger than rate of return. What the hell are you talking about, Darin? Come on. The first question I ask when I'm thinking about investing, either more in something, in a different investment, what is the what? Rate of return. Well, I'm going to tell you that what's transpired over the last couple of months has now replaced rate of return as the most important reason to invest. Because a lot of us, me included, basically says, hey, if I can't get a good rate of return, man, I'm not even going to be bothering with it. That's not the case anymore, and COVID-19 has proved it. Okay? Because here's what's happened. Rate of return has been trumped by place. By place. Okay, it used to be, like I just said, the most important question you would ask, or the most important thing you'd want to know is, what's my rate of return going to be? Right? Still, pretty damn important. I got it here as number 2. But I don't give a crap what your rate of return is going to be if your place sucks on where you have it invested. If the place sucks, doesn't matter what your rate of return is going to be, because it's not going to be what you think or where you think it needs to be. So, another way of saying it is the safety, the insulation, the benefits of place, investment place, where you have your investment, where your investment is located, is now more important than rate of return. Because you can't get any kind of rate of return unless this doesn't work out. Unless this works out, place, you're not going to get a rate of return. Period. Now you could be saying, well, Darin, that's kind of always been the case. Well, in some cases, yes. But what this COVID-19 has really brought to the surface, how many people wish they would have thought more about place 2 months ago, 3 months ago? How many investors wish they were in a different investment place right now? A ton. A ton. How many investors were more concerned about rate of return versus place a year ago? We know the answer. Times have changed, folks. And now, COVID-19 is going to be with us for the foreseeable future. Hopefully not still among us and existing, but it will be up here. It'll be how the processes are basically thought about, how they're administered. It'll be part of everything. And part of that's going to be, where in the hell is our place going to be? And based on what we've discussed so far, with our first 2 points, regarding demand, regarding insulation and protection and predictability, where do you think the place will be for many, many investors? Multifamily. Multifamily. Okay? Because they're investors, and I want to talk about this in my next video a little bit more, the investors are going to see the line of tenants outside the door filling out applications. Right? They're going to see that. They're going to see that rents are being collected. They're going to see all of this happening. And they're going to see they're going to be protected and insulated compared to many other places. Places being the operative word. So look, folks, so what you're going to be finding here is place is going to be has replaced rate of return. Now, you won't hear people talk about this openly, okay, because all of the big companies' marketing, their messages are all about what? Making you feel nice and comfortable, right? No fees, right? And rate of return. It's now been trumped by place. Again, multifamily is going to be the place for many, many investors. And why will you benefit from that? We'll talk about it in our next and last video. We'll talk to you here soon.